Most traders don't blow accounts because they're bad. They blow accounts because the system is designed that way. Time limits, moving drawdowns, hidden rules. It's not trading, it's survival. You're in profit, confident, finally doing everything right. Then one rule, one mistake, and the account is gone. No second chance. And it's not even your strategy that failed. It's pressure. Pressure from deadlines, daily limits, and the fear of losing everything in one trade. So what if a prop firm actually removed that pressure? Trade more, rush more, make mistakes. Upcomers removes that completely. No time limits, no minimum trading days. You trade when the setup is there, not when the clock forces you. They don't give you just one path. They give you multiple ways to get funded. Small targets, broken into phases, so you're not forced to gamble. Some paths focus on faster completion. Some focus on patience and consistency. Some are built for low-cost entry. But all of them lead to the same goal, funding. And here's the part most traders miss. During the challenge, your maximum loss is static. It never moves. You can be in profit, and your stop out stays exactly where it started. No chasing drawdown, no hidden traps. You always know your exact risk. Now when you pass, the game changes. Daily drawdown drops to 4%, and now you get something powerful, dynamic risk shield. As your account grows, your protection level moves up with it, but it never moves down. You start locking in profits automatically, while still having room to trade. This forces discipline. Max 3% risk per trade. Try to bypass it by splitting positions. It still counts as one. No shortcuts. And just as important, they're strict about how you trade. No tick scalping. No one-sided bets. No hedging across multiple accounts. No copy trading. No bots, emulators, or high-frequency trading. No quick strike or latency tricks. No arbitrage. No grid or martingale strategies. No account sharing. No pass-your-challenge services. No abusing platform errors or data freezes. And no all-in, all-or-nothing gambling. Because this isn't about gaming the system. It's about proving you can actually trade. Then there's the best day rule. No single day can dominate your profits. Because they're not looking for luck. They're looking for consistency. Now let's talk money. You only need 1% profit to withdraw. And you keep 99% of it. No waiting periods. No forced trading days. Make profit, withdraw, repeat. They've allocated over $10 million for payouts, with a 99% approval rate. This isn't built for hype. It's built for long-term traders. And if you already know what you're doing, you can skip everything. No challenge. No phases. Straight to funded. Most traders don't need another strategy. They need a better environment. Because the truth is, a good trader in the wrong system still loses, but in the right system, they scale. And before I go further, listen carefully. I'm giving away 10 funded accounts. I'll be dropping secret codes on screen throughout this video. The first ones to comment them win. And on top of that, 5 random people with the best comments will also win. So stay till the end. Like the video, subscribe, and don't miss a single second. Now here's the thing. Not every trader is the same. So why should everyone follow the same path? Upcomers gives you options. If you want balance, there's a 3-phase model. If you want smaller, easier steps, a 4-phase system. If you want speed, a 2-phase challenge. And if budget matters, a low-cost entry with micro-targets. Different paths, same destination, funding. All with small, realistic targets. No time limits. No minimum trading days. You move forward when you're ready, not when a timer forces you. And once you pass, you're trading real capital, up to $1.5 million in scaling potential. For percent daily drawdown, dynamic protection that locks in your profits, and strict risk rules that keep you consistent. But it's not just about rules, it's about the ecosystem. Upcomers is growing fast. Over 56,000 traders on Instagram, more than 34,000 members inside their Discord, and thousands more following on X. And the difference shows in the support. Inside their Discord, it's active. Moderators reply fast, often within minutes. You're not left waiting when something matters. And here's the real power move. If you already know what you're doing, you don't even need a challenge. Instant funding. No phases. No evaluation. No waiting. You get funded, and you start trading immediately. Same 99% profit split. Same rules. Same opportunity. Whether you're just starting your journey or already confident in your strategy, there's a path that fits you. Because at the end of the day, it's not about passing a challenge. It's about becoming a funded trader and staying one.